We are in September. September, as you know, is usually the month of iPhone, or rather iPhone events or Apple events. And Globalstar is connected to Apple. I believe it's connected, the satellite connectivity on the iPhones through Globalstar. So the stock is up 18.24% in the session of today, the 8th of September 2025. Intraday high $37.1. The Apple event is going to be tomorrow, the 9th. Tomorrow, the 9th. That's when it's going to happen. The stock is equally trended right now, and all of this is all around all of this, and indeed also the fact that SpaceX got a deal, is pursuing a, or may have entered a spectrum deal with EcoStar. Yeah, and given that Global Star also has is a decent amount of spectrums, yeah, to offload or to do something with, you know, and also given the fact that there's a threat for some of these spectrum owners to do something about them, you know. So amongst other things, community discussions are increasingly centered on how to properly value Global Star's spectrum holdings. Yeah, spectrum holdings. Yes, those assets. With some arguing that the market has yet to fully price in their long-term potential. Speculation about partnerships with major companies like Apple and Walmart is also gaining traction, fueling bullish sentiment and leading to ambitious price targets from retail traders. So I think we need to establish what's going on right now, because all of these are based on momentum. So this is typically a case of they're buying the rumor, buying the speculation. That's what's going on right now. So you need to be very much aware that it may continue to print higher prices. However, once any news comes out, it could even be tomorrow's event. It could even be tomorrow once Apple starts to present and even mentions anything about satellites, phew, the price will plunge. That may well be the case. I haven't looked at this chart, but let me see what it's going to say now. Okay, here is saying it's going to remain strong up till Wednesday. Wednesday is the close of Wednesday, the 10th. That'll be good. Then after that, we might get a consolidation, and then after that, we might get a contraction, and then maybe the uptrend may resume. So where does this fit in now? What does this fit in now? Can we say that maybe by tomorrow's presentation from Apple, it's not really going to dent this by the rumor, by the speculation thesis? Maybe it may not dent it, it may not sway it. Maybe after that, we may get a let's just say we may get a profit taking and some consolidation, and then some consolidation mixed with okay, let's just say you might decline some one of them bounds, and then maybe suddenly maybe there might be some spectrum deal that may come up. If that comes up, surely let's just say maybe it's something that might come up on Wednesday the 17th. That will be next week Wednesday, and then once that comes up, given what has happened already, given the fact that the stock has been printing higher prices since the 21st of August, yeah, you should expect that a pullback will occur. As a matter of fact, I'm even saying by tomorrow during the presentation, a pullback may occur. You know. So, but in any case, the extrapolation is actually saying that at least up till early October, it may still be showing some strength. You know, yeah. Let's just see how things go. Projections here are saying 35.98 is a downward projection. So that's 37.96 upper projection. Intraday high in the seven. Okay, that's 7.1. Okay, downward projections, we don't have anything like that currently in play. Buying pressure is very strong. Nothing negative here. Okay, let's apply the price pressure momentum to. Okay, the 10 and 21 day moving averages are in strong trend modes. Nothing, they're not holding anything negative. However, we have fractional second derivatives indicating that maybe, yeah, it might stall. The momentum might stall. Surely, without applying the market grid, the stock is easily trading right outside of its market grid, indicating that a pullback is imminent. However, it may continue to print higher prices as well. It may continue to do so. Let's see what the 4 hour chart is indicating. Let's see what we have on the 4 hour chart. Okay, so here is expecting that strength will remain in place by the close of today's trading session. And as a matter of fact, continue, maybe just dip slightly going into the post-market session, and then by Wednesday's pre-market session, by Wednesday midday, it might begin to you may resume the uptrend. Maybe that will be probably during the presentation, the Apple presentation. But yeah, that's what the algos are suggesting. I'm thinking maybe given that it has just been printing higher prices relentlessly since the 21st of August. I'm saying there's a good chance we might see a pullback on Wednesday, on Tuesday, that's tomorrow. The pullback is slight correction, slight moderation is expected today by the close of today's trading session. But let's just see. It's just the stock has just been so hot since. So yeah, nothing here is negative at all. Everything is strongly bullish. No indication of any weakness. The only so the only inkling of some weakness is based on what we saw on the daily chart. But let's just see. So currently, let's see what we have in terms of how traders are digesting what's going on. The gain is now 19.12%. Let's see how active they are. Let's see. Let's see up here how whether people are. Yeah, you can see people are expecting higher prices to kick in. You can see that's 37.50, 37.53. There's no aggression here. This is highly likely to be a case of profit taking, not likely to be short selling. It may well be some short sell orders there may still may some short sell orders may still be part of that lot. Let's see, that is 7.85, that is 7.86. Yeah, $38. Yeah, so people are expecting it to continue to print higher prices at 8.18. Yeah, okay. Well, you never know. You never know what's going to happen. Okay, so let's just continue to see. Let's see how it's going to pan out, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.